Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. I'm Jamie, and today I wanted to come and do a makeup tutorial for you, checking out this new makeup that I ordered from Beauty Pie. So they came out with this little collection, the Essentials Kit, they're calling it, and they collaborated with a makeup artist named Pati Dubroff. So I don't really know who that is, but she's supposed to be this famous makeup artist to the stars. And she came up with this kit of beauty products. And I just figured it would be fun to pick it up. I actually really wanted a cream blush, and they came out with it in this kit. And so right now their cream blushes are like out of stock. I think they might have one left in stock, but the rest of them are out of stock. And I've been waiting for them for a while with a bunch of Beauty Pie bucks burning a hole in my pocket. So I figured this would be a good time to cash some of them in. So I got this, and this was $49. And then I also got a bunch of other stuff. Right now in this video, I'm just going to actually focus on what's in this kit, and we'll put it on my face. And then maybe in another video, I'll come back and show you what the other products were, or maybe I'll mix a couple in. I don't know, let's see. So in this kit, there was actually, I think, 8 pieces in here. And there's also this really cool bag. It comes in a larger bag, but that's just like an outside bag. And that one, maybe you could keep like underwear in, or, you know, something. It's just a small kind of bag that ties up at the top. But then this is like this cool makeup bag. Anyway, I thought this was really great. I mean, you would pay a pretty good amount of money for this just by itself. And it's just, you know, clear, see-through, and it seems like it's really good quality. And it also says Beauty Pie on it right down here. So happy with that. Always happy to have extra makeup bags. I seem to always find something to put in them. So let's dig into the regular rest of the stuff. So let's see, it came with, this is the first product I want to use. This is the Velvet Veil in the color Dough. And this can be used, well, it can be used for many things, but one of the things that it's supposed to be used for is an eyeshadow. So the kit also came with this pretty cool brush, and it's just a double-sided brush. I tried using it with this product yesterday just to show what it looked like. And it also has this little teeny detail side over here that looks great. So it's a domed brush, and it fits in here really well. So I figured we could use this and just go in and see what it looks like. I do have some concealer on my eyes right now, so it was creasing up a little bit, so I'm gonna tap that out. But let's see. I don't know anything about this product. It is a new Beauty Pie product. Oh, this little brush like makes a noise when I use it. You guys can't hear it, but it's just a little clicking. Anyway, just something I noticed. But this is a new Beauty Pie product, but it is like a cream eyeshadow. They do have cream eyeshadow sticks like this, but this is the first one that they have in like a little pot like this. So I thought this was awesome. I love cream everything. Cream shadows and cream contours and cream bronzers, and this is like a really perfect shade for contouring anything. So it just is like a really perfect gray brown that really provides great like shadow effect, and that is what contouring is. So I thought maybe I'm gonna try to use this a little bit on my eyes, and I'm actually gonna go all over and see if I can get like a smoky shadow type of look. I don't know if this is the best brush for my needs right now. I feel like, let me try to use my finger. I'm just gonna try to go in. Actually kind of looks like a poopy brown color, but those always make pretty good eyeshadow colors. So let's see how this works. It's just good at like, it's still movable for sure. Hasn't set down at all yet. This can kind of be similar to like one of Charlotte Tilbury's cream shades in a little pot like this. I can't think of who else has cream shades that are like Charlotte Tilbury's. I don't know. Hers are pretty unique. But it's kind of like a MAC paint pot, maybe, because it's matte. And I feel like the only matte paint pots I've ever owned were matte. So, all right, that's the color. It's really just, you know, pretty brown. One thing I wanted to do with this, she said, you know, you could contour your nose with it or something, but I want to actually try to contour my cheeks with it. So I just went in, dipped in, and why don't we just spread it here, and then I'm gonna grab a blending brush and see if we could use this. I might have used way too much, but YOLO. So I'm just gonna grab this stipple brush right here, and I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna try to blend it up a little bit and see, maybe I can use it as like a contour bronzer. I'm not sure, it's berry brown, so it's not really like the best bronzer shade. Much more of a contour shade. But I love multi-purpose products, so I figured we could try and get some dual purpose out of this. I think it's a good contour color, so if like in a pinch, maybe you had a bronzer but you didn't have a contour, I think that this would be good. Okay, so let's jump into cream blush, because I just feel like that's good. And oh, I can mix the cream blush maybe as eyeshadow. So cream blush, you get this sexy berry color. It looks like this. It's in a cute little glass container. And let's try to put on some cream blush. So it's pretty pigmented. Let's see, and seems to be blending really nice and easy. I think if I was in a rush, I could definitely use all this makeup really quickly, but since I'm not, I am taking my time and I just want to see what this has to offer. So I'm just letting you know that this could be like a super quick makeup look if you wanted it to be. Definitely doesn't need 20 minutes to put on some makeup. So that is the blush on my cheeks. I don't know, sometimes I like to put a little bit of blush in my crease on my eyes. So I thought maybe I could bring a little bit in there. Another thing that she put in here that I thought was pretty cool was this stick. This is new for Beauty Pie as well. This is the Pro Glow Perfecting Highlighting Stick, and it looks cool. You twist it up. It's a nice little stick here, and let's put it on. Oh, it's cooling. Did it say anything about that? It didn't. Oh yes. Okay, this is something I'm really gonna like. I love cream highlights. This is really convenient. Beautiful. It is not like overpowering, and it's really like easy to move. Yes, this is a winner. So let's go on this cheek. Just want to put it on the high points of your cheek. Put a little bit more on. So they don't sell this separately, which sucks, but I mean, the kit is an awesome deal. So there's that. Then I'm gonna put a little bit actually on my finger like this and tap it on my eyelid. I like my eyelid to have a little bit of shimmer, so I think this will be good. Hopefully it just dries down. I don't know anything about this formula yet, but I am a fan of putting a lot of different eyeshadows on, or different like highlights and stuff on my eyes. Multitasking my products is really the name of the game for me. I think the first time I saw somebody like multitasking something, I was like, yes! I don't know why. It just feels so like artistic when you, it's just like paint. You can put it anywhere and it's fun. So there is a lip color in here. There's actually a lip liner and a lipstick. My lips are killing me right now. They're so dry, so let's jump to it. The lip liner is in this color Foxy. Swatch it really quick. It's like this pretty pinky brown. I love a pinky brown. Went on really smooth. It's a gel formula. Felt really great. So that is cool. And then they have this lip product in here, and this is the Shine Up Lip Color Balm in the color Sexy Berry. So it's the same as the, I think Sexy Berry was the name of the, yeah, the cream blush as well. So let's do this. Super shiny and comfortable. I think that looks good. I'm really quickly gonna swatch the cream blush next to those colors so you can see how they all go along together. So that's really pretty. And now there are two products left in here. There is this eyeliner. So this really like you put on the inner rim of your eye and it helps your eyes to pop. So it is just a white, creamy, well, it's a nude color eyeliner. I do this, I have a Charlotte Tilbury nude eyeliner like this, and I put it on, and it helps. So that is that. Can you guys tell? I can tell. It just makes my eyes look much more like awake. And then last product in here that I wanted to go for is this mascara. So I'm not really a huge fan of putting mascara on camera. I'm not really great at it, but I'm gonna give it a try. I really liked this wand when I opened it. It is pretty, it's natural bristled wand and it's kind of small, which is great. It has just like a slight smell, but nothing like makeup-y or nothing artificial. So let me put this on. This is my first time using this. Definitely not a professional at putting on makeup on camera. So let me just speed through this really quick. Okay, so I'm back and the mascara is done. So this is my finished makeup look. And now let me take you through my thoughts on the products, like first impression. So I mentioned before, I really like the bag. I think the bag is adorable. So that is a win for sure. Then I really like the cream blush. I think this is great. I don't know if this is my perfect color, but I think it's really pretty and I approve of this one for sure. Then the glow stick, I really like this. This is like right up my alley. I think it looks really glowy and perfect. It blended out creamy and nothing bad to say about this. This was a total win for me. I think that this liner is pretty good. I like a liner like this. I don't know if it's like a must-have for me. Well, it's not because I don't wear this all the time when I do wear my makeup, but I do understand that like it does add a little something to your look, and I definitely am a fan of that. So I'm definitely, you know, not upset about getting it at all. This little, the brush and the eyeshadow, I don't know, this isn't really like my favorite color ever. I think I would have picked something a little bit, you know, shimmery for the lids or something. I don't know, this isn't, but it's not bad. It's not bad at all. I think it'll get used for sure. I thought it was cool that it would double as like a contour, but I just don't know that this is like the product that I would pick, or maybe just the shade of the product I would pick. I might go for like something more like a Charlotte Tilbury type of like, yes, that's what I would pick probably. Cream eyeshadow like this, but like something with shimmer in it, like Charlotte Tilbury. That's what I would have picked. And then the brush, I could take it or leave it. It didn't really do too many amazing things for me, but it's okay. I'm not mad at it. The lip color, it's not typically my lip color. I don't hate it. And I mean, I could definitely pull it off. It's just not what I typically go for. But it's pretty. I would probably go for something more nude because that's just the way I roll. But I think it's cute. And then the last product is the mascara. And I'm pleasantly surprised by the mascara. I don't know if I'm like blown away, but I like the formula. I like that it's a little dry and clumpy, which is what I prefer in mascara. I definitely don't like a really wet or runny formula. And I thought that this performed really well, and especially for like the first time I'm cracking it open. Normally they don't work that well right out of the gate, but this one did, and I actually am a pretty big fan of this. So overall, I would give this definitely an a stamp of approval. I would definitely get this for $50, and getting all of these products in here, and you get to try like a wide range of different beauty pie products, and you get this cool bag. I think that this is great. I love this. I'm very happy with my purchase, and that's it. So that's all I really have to say. I know this video got a little long. Hopefully you guys stuck around to the end. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye.